What is a website audit report? Hello viewers, welcome to the Amer Digital Marketer YouTube channel. Here we are discussing each topic in a video session. Today's topic is what is a website audit report? A website audit is like a complete generating report of website errors. A website audit is like annually on financial year starts every organization income tax audit will happen right as similar as every month or before starting any website project. Digital marketers will do auditing of the website. Website audit major factors are 1. Website speed test. 2. SEO on-page recommendations like meta titles. B. Web page content length. C. Heading tags. 4. Image alt tags and 3. SEO off-page recommendations like A. Types of backlinks. B. How many backlinks and 4. Broken links. 5. Keyword stuffing. 6. Website quality score. What are the SEO on-page and off-page recommendations? And how to do it? We'll discuss them in the following sessions. Thank you for watching. For more in detail explain, connect on YouTube and subscribe to the YouTube channel.